my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. So beautiful.
Oh, wow! Wee!
Amazing. Purple, blue, green, yellow. So cute.
Love you. You love.
Whoa!
Please accept it.
Thank you, Melody.
I'm so sleepy. I'm going to Hello Kitty's bed.
Today, I will make a house for Hello Kitty, Melody, Cinnamoroll, and Pochacco. I hope you like it. First, make the bed. Make the mattress. Glue and add cotton to the cardboard. Wrap it with fabric. Cut off the excess fabric. Make the blanket. Ta-da! Make the headboard. Draw Hello Kitty on the cardboard. Cut along the drawing. Cover the cardboard with clay. Make the bow. So beautiful!
I like the bed. Oh, wow! Wee!
Hello? Kitty's bedroom is complete. Make the kitchen cabinet. Glue and assemble the cardboard pieces together.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Make the tabletop. Make the gas stove out of clay. Flatten the piece of clay with a hard plastic sheet. Amazing! Make the blender. Take a piece of clay.
Ta-da!
Make the spice jar.
Woohoo! I like carrots. So many carrots. Let's go home. Lisa made me carrot juice.
Okay.
I will make carrot juice.
Hello, Pochacco. I want to drink carrot juice. Okay, I'll ask Lisa. Thank you, Lisa.
Make the refrigerator. So cute!
Oh, wow!
Fanta, Coca-Cola. Make the hanging rack. Pochacco.
Whoa!
Pochacco's kitchen is complete. Make the stairs. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Make the bed for Melody. Ta-da! Make the mattress. Make the blanket. Make Melody's headboard. So lovely.
Ta-da!
Make the backpack. So beautiful.
The bed is so beautiful. Love you. You love.
Melody's bedroom is complete. Make the Cinnamoroll shaped sofa.
Whoa!
Make the table. Use the bottle cap as the table legs.
Ta-da!
Woohoo!
Oh, wowee! I have a bouquet of flowers for you. Please accept it. Thank you, Melody.
Cinnamoroll's living room is complete.
Thank you for watching.
Wonderful. The house is complete.
to the next room. I want to go out. I'm so sleepy. I'm going to Hello Kitty's bed.